here at Skyhaven. Short runway, 2,000 foot. I'm ready. I'm ready, switching over to 22.8. Listening on 2345.
And Skyhaven traffic bonanzas on a roll. Runway 19er, departing to the southeast.
Lower belts, harnesses. Gear down, I stay down. Wait for him to be airborne. Quick left into the hills. Got G. Skyhaven Twin Comanche departing runway 19er south. Temps. Winds are from the right. Gauges are good. Airspeed's alive. Brakes. Gears coming up. Bird, get out of the way.
Steady with the you guys were going to be landing here.
Pressures are holding. Getting rocked here. Got to get above these hills. Lots of right rudder. Eye pumps are off. Lights are off.
That's squawk 4247.
Squawking 4247, 90 Hotel Foxtrot.
Wilkes-Barre approach to Comanche 863 to Yankee.
November 8623 Yankee, Wilkes-Barre approach, Wilkes-Barre altimeter 3007.
3007, just departed Skyhaven to the south, 2005, following 90 Hotel Fox, and I'm climbing to 5.5 also.
And just verifying it's 86237 for the call sign?
8632 Yankee, PA 30, sir.
All right, 632 Yankee, squawk 0246.
0246, Twin Comanche 3K.
Wilkes-Barre approach, departure 83831.
Alright, gears up, flaps are up.
Area 632 Yankee, radar contact 10 miles northwest of the Alpha Victor Papa Airport. You're headed to Allentown, correct?
Negative, sir. Central Jersey, 47 November.
Roger.
Wilkes-Barre Bonanza, Ford Romeo, like to cancel IFR. Not too bad, right, Steve?
Not bad at all. I'm off your 4 o'clock.
Correction, 8632 Yankee, reset transponder, squawk 4255.
4255, Twin Comanche 3 Yankee.
Wilkes-Barre Bonanza, Ford Romeo, like to cancel IFR.
And 7941 Romeo, IFR cancellation received, squawk VFR, fixed change approved.
Wilkes-Barre approach, departure 83831.
Departure 83831, Wilkes-Barre approach, Wilkes-Barre altimeter 3007. Information hotel is current, expect runway 22.
3007, expect runway 22.
Bonanza 9 Lima Tango, turn right heading 130.
30 for 9 Lima Tango.
All right, that was it for the fun, guys. See ya.
32 Yankee traffic to your 12 o'clock.